It's a good job, mate. It's challenging work, out of doors. I guarantee you'll not go hungry, because at the end of the day, long as there's 2 people left on the planet, someone is going to want someone dead. Not a crazy accent. Well, the difference being one is a just sickness. I'll be honest with you. My parents... I'm gonna blow the insides of your head all over 4 counties. There you go! I think his mate saw me. Yes, he did. Look, mate, you know there's a lot of feelings. Blokes were bludgeoning their wife to death with a golf trophy. Professionals have standards. Be polite. Put Mum on a phone.